Hey guys, welcome back to Raj Tech India. Today in this video, we will learn about how to raise a complaint or grievance on EPF Grievance portal. EPF Grievance portal is a website where we can register our EPF related complaints so that the request will go to our EPF regional office directly. The benefit of EPF grievance system is here the complaint will be resolved by our regional EPF office. Let's see how to raise a complaint on EPF grievance portal. For example, here I have applied for name correction on UN member portal and it has been completed more than 20 days, but still the name is not corrected. So I have decided to raise a complaint. Let's see how to raise a complaint on EPF Grievance portal. To go to EPF Grievance portal, type EPF Grievance portal on Google and open the first link epfigms.gov.in. Once you click on that link, then this page will open like this. Here select the status as PF member and I will provide the link of EPF Grievance portal on below video description. So by clicking on that link also you can come to this site. Here select the status as PF member and enter your UAN account number here. After entering your UAN number, type the CAPTCHA and click on get details. Once you click on get details, here you can see your name and your last 3 digits of your mobile number. Now click on get OTP. Now when one-time password will be sent to your registered mobile number which was linked to your EPF account. Now enter that OTP and click on submit. After verification of OTP, click on OK and here select your gender. After selecting the gender, type address for communication. Here you need to type the address and it is not mandatory. You need to select the details which are marked with red star mark. Here select the country which is already present. Here select the state where you are living. After selecting the state, if you have any alternate contact number, you can mention that number. Otherwise, just leave this field blank. Here enter the CAPTCHA. After entering all the required details, here you can see the PF account number. You need to choose the PF account number for which you want to raise the EPF grievance. For example, if you have multiple PF accounts linked to one UN number, then you need to select the right EPF account for which you want to raise the EPF grievance. Here only one EPF number is linked to this UN account. So I am clicking on this EPF account number. Once you click on that EPF account number, then a pop-up window will open. Here select grievance related to. Here the grievance is related to the PF office. So I am selecting PF office. And if the problem is with your employer, then you can select employer here. And if the problem is with EDLA, that means employee deposit linked insurance, then you can select EDLA. And if the problem is with pension, then you can select pre-pension here. And next come to grievance category. Here you need to choose the category of the complaint. If the problem is with your PF withdrawal, then you can select final PF withdrawal. And if the problem is with PF transfer, then you can select non-transfer of PF accumulations. Here the problem is with passbooks or PF related passbooks, then you can select this option, passbook related issues. And if the problem is with the KYC, then you can select KYC. And like that you need to select the right category as per your problem. Here my problem is with name correction. That means it is somewhat related to KYC. So I am selecting KYC related issues of subscriber pertaining PF office. So now click on this option. After selecting the grievance category, now come to grievance description. Here type a message related to your EPF problem. Here my problem is with name correction. So I have written like this. Dear EPFO, I have applied for PF name correction on UN member portal 20 days ago, but till now the name is not corrected and the status is showing that approved by employer and pending at field office. So please correct my name on UN member portal. Thank you. And if you want to upload any screenshots or any PDF files, then you can upload them also. And remember, those files should be in PDF format. Only PDF files will be accepted on EPF Grievance portal. and it is not mandatory to upload the documents. If is there any necessity, then only you can upload the documents. Here I am not uploading any documents because here we are providing all the required details. That means whenever we raise the EPF grievance, the EPFO officer can see all our details by using our UAN number. After mentioning all the required details, now click on add here. Once you click on add, then your grievance is added here, and if you want to edit, then you can edit by clicking on edit option, and if you want to remove, then you can remove. Finally, to submit this request, click on submit here. See here, your grievance has been lodged successfully with the following registration numbers. You can save this registration number for future reference, and if you want to check the status, you can check the status by going to view status option on EPF Grievance portal. By raising a complaint on EPF Grievance portal, within 1 or 2 days, you will receive a message to your email ID and your mobile number. In that message, EPFO will solve your problem, or if EPFO need any further information, then they will ask you to provide that further information. But in most cases, within 1 or 2 days, EPFO is resolving the EPF problems of the EPF members. And to check the status, click on view status option here and enter the registration number, and there is no need to enter any grievance password. Enter your mobile number linked to your EPF account and type the captcha and click on submit. If you don't get any reply from EPFO within 2 days, then you can check the status, and you can also send a reminder if EPFO is not replying to your complaint. To send a reminder, click on send reminder option here and enter your registration number and your mobile number and enter your reminder description and enter the security code and send your reminder by clicking on submit option. You can do this only after 2 days if you don't get any reply from EPFO. So this is the process of registering a complaint on EPF Grievance portal. I hope you like this video, and if you still have any questions, then ask those questions in below comment section. For more videos like this, please share and subscribe to Raj Tech India. Thank you.